My name is Vanessa Gomez. My role is an AP Manager, and I currently work at Puma North America. It's the invoice processing. I love that from the capture step to the archive, you know exactly how long it's taking, the whole process. So whether it's 2 days, 5 days, 14 days, you know exactly how long the process is, and you can then further deep dive into analytics to see what the bottleneck is. So what I have noticed is that usually the approval is part of the bottleneck, whereas AP's doing their job, they're processing invoices from 1 to 2.5 days, routing them to the approvers, but then the actual approvers are taking sometimes a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And obviously that can be a problem because then we're not maintaining really good relationships with our vendors. People are hounding us for payment, and it just turns into a whole nightmare. We started out originally as fully manual processing, data entry, paper pushing, the old school way to do it. And now we don't have any paper, so we're saving trees, and we're also really seamlessly capturing things, really automating and stepping into the future with Medius.